Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone camera settings. And in this video, I will show you on how to put your camera setting in auto HDR in order to capture very high resolution picture or video using your Android phone. Let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is open up our camera. Having opened up your camera, next thing you need to do is to click on this setting icon. Then it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on HDR. Then make sure you switch to automatic HDR. So by choosing HDR auto right here, it simply means that whenever you want to take a shot, you are taking HD quality photo, or whenever you are trying to record video with your phone, you are recording higher resolution video. It's that simple. For more tutorial about camera setting on Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.